with my Black Friday Bath and Body Works preview tips and tricks video. Now, I just watched the Bath and Body Works live presentation on Facebook. It was really short. There was not a lot to see there. So basically what they told us was that everything in the store, absolutely everything, is going to be buy three, get three free, which is good, but I want to give you some tips on how to navigate that. Um, they said the Black Friday starts online tomorrow at 6 a.m. and then Thanksgiving night if your store is open. Let me grab something back here. I have a feeling that they're going to be doing more deals throughout the weekend and Cyber Monday because it seems like all the retailers now, I've been watching like Victoria's Secret and Yankee Candle and so many of these retailers, it's like they're pre-advertising Black Friday. They've got something at Black Friday and then every day over the weekend they're going to have another sale. So don't be surprised if you see like a ton of sales from everybody. They also mentioned the tote that they are going to have. So here's my plan. I'm going to spend my $30 and then I'm going to get the tote. So I'll have that. I might go tomorrow night. I haven't decided. It depends if my husband wants to go out, if we're just like itching to get out. I might go tomorrow night and see if I can get my hands on that. If not, I'll have it on Friday. As far as the buy three, get three, I'm not buying any candles because to me, it's not a bad deal. Basically, when they do buy three, get three, everything is basically 50% off. But you have to buy 6 products in order to get that. Now, the key to success, you guys, is to buy products that are the same price. Because if you buy 3 products, like say if you were to get like, I don't know why anyone would do this, but like say you were to get 3 single wick candles that are actually $14.50, and then you were to get 3 pocket backs, the only thing that you're going to get the discount on is, you'll get the free product is going to be the pocket bag, which makes absolutely no sense. So you're not gonna do a good job there. So what you want to do when you do the buy three get three is, I always get nervous with these sales. I would check out like separately, or make sure that they're adding these up correctly. So for example, if you're going to be buying 6 of the lip glosses, you want to make sure you buy 3, you get 3 free, if that makes sense, okay? Because I'm just wondering, like, say if you buy like a whole grouping of stuff, are they going to take the, and maybe you guys can leave a comment below. I'm not sure how it works. I can't remember with Bath and Body Works. But like, say you buy, 6 products that are like $30 and 6 products that are like $2, those are the ones you're going to get. So make sure you do the math right. Not just Bath and Body Works, every store for Black Friday. You absolutely want to make sure you're getting all your discounts and everything is good. So the good stock up items for Bath and Body Works are going to be your lip gloss. If you haven't gotten your lip gloss yet, I know a lot of people want these. They're $7.50. You buy 6, that's going to come out to like what is that, like $3.75 each. So, we've got your pink gumdrop, we've got the winterberry. These are awesome. The hot cocoa is actually the best. I have that one in my purse. We've got twisted peppermint, we've got winter candy apple. Those are awesome. Hand creams. If you buy 3 hand creams, you're going to get 3 free. So you're going to pay $15 for 3, but then you're going to get 6. So that's like $2.50 a hand cream. So if you're wanting some of the new ones, like the Mary Cookie, the Jingle Bell, oh my gosh, this amazing spiced gingerbread, banana custard, coconut macaroon, those are a good deal. Same with the pocket backs. Pocket backs are $1.75. You'd pay half of that if you buy 6 of the pocket backs. Now, from what I remember, you're not going to get like the sale price on this, it's the retail price. So for example, like a lot of times they do the fragrance mists are like, 2 for $12. You're not going to get the 2 for $12 deal plus the buy 3 get 3. So these are going to be, the fragrance mists are $7.50 regularly. So if you buy 6 of those, you're going to get 3 free. So you would pay, roughly $21, $22 for 3. Then you'd get the 3 free. Oh, Coco. So keep that in mind. The tote. They did show a picture of the tote. I'll put it up next, just a screenshot of it on the Facebook Live. And then in the tote, you're going to get a collectible gingham single wick candle that apparently isn't in the stores. You're going to get the gingham hand cream. I actually have one of those here. The gingham hand cream, a gingham pocket back, 3 Into the Night products, the fine fragrance mist, the shower gel, the body lotion, and then you're going to get a champagne toast 3-wick candle and a champagne toast soap. I really wish they had done a Land of Sweets tote. Oh my gosh, I would have probably bought like 4 of them if I could get in there. That would have been so exciting. But I mean, apparently these are really popular products, so I understand why they did that. I mean, Into the Night is new. I actually have plans on gifting most of this. I want to keep the tote because I collect the totes. I think they're awesome. And the tote is, you have to spend $30 and then you have to pay an additional $30 to get the tote. So I will be getting this and showing you what it's like, what's in it. Like I said, I'm going to try maybe to get that tomorrow night so you guys can see it and figure out what's going on, if you want to pick it up on Friday. The other thing that they're doing, they said the entire store is buy 3, get 3, so that should include all of the accessories. So if you're looking for stuff like this is the stuff that I'm looking for. So these are regularly $5.95. You're never going to find these on sale other than during SAS or during like a buy 3, get 3 event like this. So I love these. These are those light up little snow Christmas trees that go on top of the candles. These are awesome. Any of the candle holders are going to be buy 3, get 3. So if you need 6 candle holders, now's the time to get them. They also said all the gifts are buy 3, get 3. Like say you need 6 pairs of socks because you've got 6 children or 6 nieces and nephews and you want to get 6 pairs of socks. This is the time to get it because these are regularly $8.95 and you'll get them for $4. So that's a really good deal. I know a lot of people, like last year when I was there, were like swooping in and they were all grabbing up the gift packs because those are a really good deal. I mean, if you get 6 gift packs and you're getting 50% off of those, that is an awesome, awesome deal. So that's the stuff that I'm going to go for. If you're really interested in, say, like the bath salts, these are currently, I think, buy 2, get 1. So if you were to buy 3 of them, you're going to get 3 free. So, it all depends on how much stuff you need, how many gifts you're trying to get, in terms of like what the best deal is for you. I will be using this weekend my free gift coupon. I will probably get a Land of Sweets product with that. It's any product up to $13.50 value with a $10 purchase. I will be utilizing that. Our big coupon doesn't start until after the 2nd. I will be using that for Candle Day. I'll get my 15 off 40. And then our $8 product for Vanilla Bean and Winter Candy Apple will not start until the 2nd also. So that's going to be after Black Friday. So anyway, let me know your Black Friday plan tomorrow. Like I said, I might go tomorrow night. I have no plans on getting there really early on Friday morning. My husband and I are going to do some Black Friday Christmas shopping, but we usually eat breakfast and then mosey out around 9 or 10. We're not super early. We'll see how early we can actually make it out of the house. But I'll have some other cool Black Friday stuff. I want to check out a couple more stores. I heard Yankees got a tote. I might pick that up. I'm really curious to see what that is. But overall, let me know what you guys think of Black Friday Bath & Body Works and what you're going to pick up. I will see you guys real soon. Bye-bye.